All right. You got to figure out how you want it.
Well,
check out that. There you go, just like that. Keep all that smoke off your fender.
Oh.
We're gonna put a new exhaust on my buddy's truck here. Dang. Here, put it up there and make some noise. Scream and then put it up there and see if it muffles the noise.
It will.
Will it?
No,
Will it do it?
No, it won't. It's straight through.
You can't even hear that. I was screaming on the top of my lungs there. What is that?
That's a honker.
Alrighty.
And this is the head pipe right here.
Down pipe.
Head pipe, down pipe, which way you adjust.
What is all this? Somebody's leaves?
Yeah, they didn't want to
The cardboard box got caught up in a shredder, didn't it?
You put that in fire, huh? Oh, yeah.
What is that? MBRP. That's some good exhaust.
That's Canadian. It is. This is.
Canadian?
You know that Diamond Eyes is not. Diamond? Yeah. It's not Canadian.
This truck's got 30,000 miles on it. How many miles you got on it now?
It's probably 30. It's around 30.
31 now?
Maybe.
Clean.
Oh. I called it.
Yeah, we need to get this thing raised up. Pull it over there on that flat spot there. I got more. That way I'm closer to the air hose and stuff if I need it.
You want to back it up under here or pull it under here?
Back it under there. That way because it'll be. Huh?
You're gonna get forklift under.
For what? Ain't worry about the back. I got a floor jack right there for the back.
Oh, okay. Before you pull it underneath.
Yeah. Anyway. Yeah, this is the what do we call this shop here now? It's not a welding shop. It's a diesel doctor shop, ain't it?
Yeah.
Yep. That is one clean truck, man.
Yeah, we about to tear this son of a bitch up.
Oh, you only got 30,500 miles on it.
Well, my speed officer.
Dang, that's pretty neat. Look at it. The damn pedals ain't even more. Look. Yeah, I get my clutch there. I'm fixing to smoke your ass. Yeah, we're gonna put this exhaust on here. Are you gonna get one of them big air filters like I got?
Like that smell.
Yeah. Y'all listen to how quiet this is the stock exhaust system. Hey, this stock system is quieter than mine was. That would make a fine toy right there. Hey Barry, imagine what that truck would run like if he had all the stuff I got done. right. He gonna back his thing in here. We'll make another video. Where's that backpack blower, man?
Well, it messed up on me the other day. The damn crankcase was filled with gas. Well, I guess the carburetor got.
Yeah. All right. Talk to y'all later.